Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to make the text like running or appear behind of your body with a CapCut. So I already prepared this video, and the next thing we need to do is adjusting the text by adding the text by click this add text and preparing the text that you want to add. So here I would like to name with the name of my channel, which is the tongue hacks. And here you can also adjusting the font and the style by adding font first and found the font that you want to have, and you just need to jump into the style to pick the color. I'll let you go with other color. I think I'll let you do with this orange, and you just have to click this animation to add the animations for the text here. So you just need to go adding the in, so the way how the text will be appear in the beginning, and then you can also add the out part and the way how the text will like out from the video. I'll let you find the wipe left, adjusting the duration, and then you just need to click this checklist button and make sure that you apply the text clip into the whole video. And here is the result. We already have this text. So the next thing we need to do is just exporting this video first. Okay, and then don't click done. You just need to go click this back. And the next thing you need to do is adding the new clip. Adding the new clip means that you adding this clip, the original clip over here. So you just need to click this plus button, and I take this video from the Capcut library, so I will let to edit. Perfect. And the next thing we need to do is just delete this clip that we add before. So we already have this original clip. The next thing we need to do is just go add the clip that we saved before. Go click add, and we need to add the second clip here, become an overlay by take a look on this bottom side, and just go click the overlay, drag it into the same position with your video that you add before. And the next thing you need to do is just go click this overlay clip and remove the background of this video. Click auto removal, and you're done. So here is the result. So that is the way how to create the text effects that showing in the behind of your body. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll let to see you for the next tutorial.